Hello, my name's Tyler Robertson. I am the CEO and founder of Diesel Laptops. Today I'm here to talk to you about a promotion we have going on during the month of October. As you may know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. For the entire month of October, for every time a customer chooses a pink colored laptop instead of one of our normally colored ones, we'll be donating $100 towards breast cancer research.
Hello, my name is Carrie Robertson, and I am married to Tyler Robertson, CEO of Diesel Laptops. And for the month of October, Diesel Laptops and our family will be supporting Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Seeing as October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, this is very near and dear to my family, as I'm sure it is to many of yours. Breast cancer touches mothers, daughters, grandparents, and even the men in our life as well. It's very prevalent in our family, so we feel strongly about supporting this cause. My mother's a survivor, my grandmother's a survivor, my aunt is a survivor. Going back 3 generations, it is very prevalent in our family. And we need to make more awareness to this and get people in for testing and screening and just try to really work towards truly finding a cure for this illness that affects so many people near and dear to our hearts and lives. And Diesel Laptops really wants to be a part of that. So please think about this awareness pink option when choosing diagnostic kits this month. Before I became a stay-at-home mom, I was a social worker, and I remember, this is probably going back about 15 years or so ago, one of my really great supervisors that I had developed breast cancer. She was married to her husband was stationed overseas. She had 2 young daughters. She was finishing her PhD, and she was my supervisor, and she was amazing. And I remember how terrified she was. And she had a really horrible strain of cancer and went through bouts and bouts of different treatments. She went into remission for several years. It came back. She tried to do experimental stuff, and it didn't work. She ended up passing away at age 42. I'm 41 right now. That really resonates with me. I have 2 kids and a husband, and that's where she was. And she didn't make it. And she was trying all the experimental stuff. She was doing everything she could. And that's why it's so important to really try to get this illness cured, find ways to prevent that happening to another family. So I've shared a little bit with you about my family's personal encounters with cancer, and part of why the Breast Cancer Research Foundation was selected for this month of October is because they're really working hard to determine why some families are more susceptible to this, and they're really working towards figuring out how this affects the body, and their mission is to find a cure and to work on preventing this from spreading further. So I would really encourage you to consider the awareness pink option. That $100 might not make a big difference in day-to-day living for all of you, but it adds up over time. And all of you customers who are purchasing the kits, those $100 add up, and that's going to go towards a great cause so we can help other women and their families get the answers they need so we can put an end to this illness.